Morning, guys. Memorial Day, May 27th. Memorial Day. We're just cleaning up this John Deere Gator from 2 weeks worth of work. And this is the way I go about cleaning this thing, is just very, very, very simple with a rag and some water. Or a shop towel, I should say. I'm a little leery about using cleaning products, basically because I don't know how they'll react, and I don't want to make a bunch of mess that I can't get cleaned up again. I got a dry cloth here right behind me to go over everything and make sure that it's in tip-top order. Yeah, we'll be back in a minute. And then I take a rag like this and just wipe down everything. Instrument cluster, dash, all that. Gets a good wiping so it don't attract no dust. But I know it's going to attract dust because this is a farm, and where there's a farm there's tractors, where there's tractors there's equipment, where there's equipment there's dirt. So yeah. Kind of give it a once over. Alright. Hey boy, look at that floor. Now for you guys that are curious on what I have in this machine for as far as storage, there's a crap ton of storage underneath this seat, which I love. Winter coat for when it gets cold out. So we got earphones, got my headset, sunglasses, and an array of stuff. I should, and there it is. There it's not. There it is. Always carry a broom. So I'm gonna sweep the floor out. Look at all that dirt. That's the bad thing about this thing, is it tracks dirt, then it turns into dust, and it's a never-ending fight. You're just always constantly fighting it. And, I mean, look at the holy cow. That looks somewhat better. I'm not gonna get too crazy at cleaning it. There. And this side isn't too awfully bad because I don't have any passengers, or any farm help or anything like that rides around, and so this side over here isn't as bad. So, alright guys, well, hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.